Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. Perfect shape, only 2,166 miles on this gorgeous metallic black and gold Vulcan S. It's even equipped with a rear passenger seat and foot pegs option. Come on by, save almost a couple thousand over the price of a new one. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $68.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.